Hi everyone, here I have a bit of footage of when I first started to build my gold trommel, a wash plant. At this stage it was a bit of a rough draft. I have changed a few things since then, like the size of the wheels. Had to upgrade the wheels because the load that I was putting through it, the wheels just wouldn't cope. As you can see on the left hand side there's a photo. I've put a stainless steel ring up in there just to dam the water up a bit more, to slow the flow of the water down. I just thought that I could have been losing a bit of gold. So, but other than that, I haven't really changed much. I made a few different adjustments for where the sluice box fit on, but other than that, yeah, not a great deal. Anyway, hope you all like it. Hope it helps if you want to build one. And yeah, like, share and subscribe. Thanks everyone.